Hello friends, welcome to our channel organized by Darci, where we take the very simple and inexpensive and make it look so elegant. So today I'll be showing you how I've used an old cooking oil bottle and upcycled it to a container for my fabric softener in my laundry room. So this was the old bottle that I've converted to a new container for my fabric softener in my laundry room. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Darci and I do weekly organizational videos. Today's video is in collaboration with several other YouTubers hosted by three ladies. Kaisha from Sweet Urban Rose, Kerri from Mama Dares to Do DIY, and Sukainah from Terrarium Crafts. First, let me say thanks to all three ladies, Kaisha, Kerri, and Sukainah, for hosting this collab, and ask that you go over to their channels, see the playlists that they have, subscribe to the channels that you like after you've watched the various videos. And of course, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel as well. Now, let's get started. The rules of this collab or challenge were very basic. The main rule, however, was just to use any type of jar or bottle, upcycle the item, and I have chosen to upcycle or repurpose an old cooking oil bottle that I would have thrown out anyway. I'd love to show you how I've recycled this into a fabric softener container for my laundry room. As you can see, the labels are off. I have washed both the inside and the outside of the bottle. The inside I just used soapy water. The outside I've used the same almond oil that I took out of the bottle. I just used that to clean the outside, which took all the sticky labels off. So here we are with the bottle all dried, and now I'm going to be adding the fabric softener, and so now I'll have three really nice bottles for fabric softener in the laundry room. So let's add the fabric softener in and we'll go from there. I've just added the fabric softener to this new bottle here. I've changed the tops, as you can see, so that they all look alike, and these are just tops from other bottles of fabric softeners that I've purchased. And pretty much what I do is I'll take the tops off, I'll throw away the bottles that they come in and put them in these decorative bottles that I actually did a DIY on maybe a year or so ago. So this is what my laundry room looks like now. All I've done is just made a new fabric softener container from an old bottle. And this is what the laundry room looks like now. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed putting it together. There wasn't much to do other than just to clean out the bottle and repurpose the bottle. So there it is. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time in our next video.